Today, we will discuss the elements of a short story. Let's begin. There are 5 elements of a short story. We have character, setting, plot, conflict, and theme. First element of short story is the character. A character is a person, animal, creature, or thing in the story. Readers come to know the characters through what they say, what they think, and how they act. Second element is setting. Setting describes where a story takes place. It includes the immediate surroundings of the characters, like trees, inside a house or a car, even lake. Setting is also when a story takes place. The time of day, such as morning, afternoon, or night. The weather, such as sunny, windy, or rainy. The time of year, particularly the seasons: winter, spring, summer, or autumn. Third element is plot. Plot is the order or sequence of events in the story. There is a beginning, middle, and end. For example, in the story Jack and the Beanstalk, it begins when Jack sold the cow for some beans. In the middle, Jack saw the beanstalk grew and climbed it. In the end, the giant fell when Jack cut the beanstalk. Fourth element is conflict. Conflict is the struggle or problem between two entities. It is something that goes wrong in the story. For example, in the story, Little Red Riding Hood was not aware that a wolf was pretending to be her grandmother. That means she is in real danger. If there is a problem, there should also be a solution. It is a way to solve the problem. From the story Little Red Riding Hood, in order to save Little Red Riding Hood, a lumberjack chased the wolf with an axe. Fifth element is theme. It is the underlying truth that is being conveyed in the story. It is what the author wants you to learn or know. Themes can be universal, meaning they are understood by readers no matter what the culture or country the readers are in. Common themes include circle of life, greed, good versus evil, or friendship. Let's revise the elements of a short story one more time. 1. Character is a person, animal, creature, or thing in the story. 2. Setting is where or when a story takes place. 3. Plot is the order or sequence of events in the story. 4. Conflict is the struggle or problem between two entities. 5. Theme is what the author wants you to learn or know.
Now, get a piece of paper to write your answer. You may pause the video if you need more time.
Identify the elements of a short story. 1. It is where or when a story takes place. 'Setting'. 2. It is a person, animal, or thing in the story. 'Character'. 3. It is what the author wants you to learn. Theme. 4. It is the sequence of events in the story. 'Plot'. 5. It is the problem between two entities.